Hello all, I am Amol Chaudhary from the Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS IIT Pune. In this video, I will be discussing types of capital. Capital is the lifeblood of business enterprise. Capital covers all elements like money, land, building, machinery, materials, etc. A businessman needs to start an enterprise. Capital is a measure of amount of resources of an enterprise. Also, capital develops products. Capital keeps workers and machines at work. Capital encourages management to make progress and create value. Types of capital includes fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital is referred to, or rather fixed capital is associated with long-term assets. Capital required to purchase land, building, equipment, machinery, tools, furniture, etc. is the fixed capital. These assets are repeatedly used for number of years. The fixed capital requirement varies from industry to industry. For example, industrial manufacturers and telecommunication providers, oil exploration firms, all these requires high fixed capital investment. There are various sources of the fixed capital. Those sources includes issue of equity and preferred shares, issue of right shares, private placement of shares, issue of debentures, term loans, lease financing. These are the sources of the fixed capital. Whereas working capital refers to firm's investment in short-term assets. Short-term assets such as cash management, short-term securities, account receivable and inventories. Net working capital is defined as current assets minus current liabilities. Working capital management refers to all aspects of administration of both current assets and current liabilities. Working capital is needed in any business, and this is because of the time lag. This time lag is between paying for materials and operating cost and getting money back again together with added profit, and this is from the customer. Various sources of working capital includes funds from business operations, other incomes such as dividends, transfer fees, donations, interest from investment which are made in the other companies, etc. Sales of non-current assets such as useless and obsolete plant and machinery, and long-term borrowing. So if we quickly differentiate the working capital and fixed capital, then working capital is used for daily business activities, whereas fixed capital is used for long-term benefits. Working capital acquires current assets, whereas fixed capital acquires non-current assets. Working capital, if needed, can be converted into cash immediately, but fixed capital cannot be converted into the cash immediately. Working capital has high liquidity, whereas fixed capital has no liquidity. I hope you might have understood the types of capital. Thank you.